Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 hearts equal to 32 value, what is the value of 6 hearts? Now we are given, let's see, we are given 8 hearts have value of 32. So that must mean, let's see, 1 heart has value of 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4. Therefore, 6 hearts have a value of 6 multiplied by value of 1 heart, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 24. So 6 hearts have a value of 24. This is the answer.